And take a look at the 2007 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front-wheel drive, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, cruise control, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.